India's favorite utterly butterly delicious Amul butter has been an integral part of the Indian food palette since 1952.
It is the nation's flavor and loved by every Indian family. Amul butter, which makes our food tasty and healthy, is processed in various state-of-the-art Amul factories with utmost care and love, so that every day millions of Indians can enjoy their food and get a happy smile on their face.
India's favorite Amul butter is made with mesmerizing ultra-modern processing technology.
Let's explore how the heavenly Amul butter is made at various Amul factories.
Amul butter is 100% natural and it does not contain any artificial flavor, color or chemical preservative.
Since ages, traditional butter making has been a part of Indian culture. Now the same yummy butter is made by Amul, the taste of India for us. Amul butter has been the favored butter of millions of Indians living across the world. And it is the largest producer of butter in India.
It is no surprise that 9 out of 10 butter eaters choose Amul butter. Butter is a rich source of vitamin A, D, K and E and has many health benefits.
Amul butter is literally a lifeline for many bread and butter earners. Every day in the morning it delights the taste buds of children, young and adult.
It's unimaginable to think of a breakfast plate without the Amul butter.
Butter contains a lot of healthy saturated fats. The war against saturated fat was based on bad science. It was never really proven that it caused any harm.
In fact, recent studies suggest that there is no association at all between saturated fat and cardiovascular disease.
Butter also contains a 4-carbon fatty acid called butyrate, an anti-inflammatory known to have powerful protective effects on the digestive system and may also prevent weight gain.
Amul as well as India owes a lot to the godfather of its Indian dairy, Dr. Verghese Kurian. We also fondly call him the milkman of India. The credit of introducing the darling Amul butter girl goes to him. Do you know that the Utterly Butterly topical advertisement is the longest running campaign in the world on billboards?
Dr. Kurian's dream and vision for Indian dairy has made India one of the largest producers of milk in the world. And we salute him for his dedication to economic and social empowerment of the Indian women and rural community.
To make the high-quality Amul butter and other products, Amul collects milk every day from its 3.6 million milk producers spread across thousands of villages in India.
This is one of those many dairy societies under the vast network of the famous Amul model of milk producers cooperative societies.
Strict quality parameters of Amul ensures that only the best milk is used to make the butter. Amul facilitates village milk societies with testing equipment and chilling units to maintain high standard milk quality at the village level itself.
It is no surprise that many Amul village level societies are ISO certified, and that's a huge achievement.
Every day, more than 20 million litres of milk is collected from villages through specially designed tankers under low temperature and sent to designated areas.
Once milk tankers enter the Amul plants, a trained factory supervisor welcomes the sealed milk trucks. Milk samples are taken from each tanker immediately and analyzed for quality parameters in a sophisticated lab.
Once the quality is approved, the lab sends signal to the receiving docks to unload the milk. A trained staff connects the tankers to milk pumping stations and then milk is stored in silos for further processing.
Now milk is sent for pre-treatment at the butter plant section. The automatic processing plant, which handles 3 million litres of milk daily, is monitored from a control room through computers. This is really an incredible magic of automation.
Next in this section, first milk goes through a chiller, automatic bacteria clarifier, a separator and then to a pasteurizer. Separator removes the cream from the milk and pasteurization kills all pathogenic bacteria if any present in the milk.
Thanks to Lewis Pasture, we get to have clean and healthy milk every day. This whole process is fully automated and happens without human touch. Milk is pre-treated in this section and cream is separated continuously round the clock.
Though Amul butter plant is fully automatic, trained dairy technologists keep an eye on the plant and machinery and supervise and check the various systems physically too. After all, dairy industry is very quality sensitive.
Next, while the milk treatment and cream separation process continues, plant technicians keep monitoring the whole process round the clock.
The pasteurized cream is matured in cream storage tanks for around 8 hours at 14 degrees centigrade. This maturation process is known as ripening. Now the ripened cream is brought to a cream balance tank, also known as cream standardization tank.
From here, the cream is sent to a churner while maintaining the temperature at 6 to 14 degrees centigrade. In the churner, cream is churned at 1000 to 1100 rpm, which separates the butter grains and buttermilk.
These separated grains are now further washed at 4 to 5 degrees centigrade, automatically at 60 to 70 rpm inside the churner. From here, butter starts its forward journey to blender for further processing.
In the vacuum blender, butter is mixed automatically with required quantity of salt. Now the plant technologist takes samples for testing.
In the lab, butter samples are delicately placed on petri dishes for various testing purposes. I have never seen a lab technician working so delicately and sincerely preparing the samples.
Now the samples are tested for moisture, fat content and salt, as well as many other parameters in the lab with sophisticated equipment. A stringent quality check and conformation to standards is of utmost importance at the Amul plant. This is why Amul is a household name across India for more than 70 years.
A color check for butter by photo sensor assures that India gets a uniform butter every day, everywhere.
Next, as soon as the labs communicate test results to the control room, butter is stored in silos at a controlled temperature for further delivery to packing section.
The famous Amul butter packing of 100 gram is done at this packing station. A special food-grade butter paper rolls in from a hopper to the packing machines. This butter paper is so nostalgic. I have been seeing this paper every day since my childhood.
From another end, freshly made Amul butter swirls like a ballet dancer does to classical music. Now through a rectangular nozzle, butter is pressed and cut in 100 grams weight, and a robotic-style machine quickly presses the butter paper around it. All this happens in a fast and furious manner, unless we see this in slow motion.
Next, these wrapped butter packs move over to a food-grade conveyor to get a colorful makeover. In between, an attentive production line supervisor keeps an eye on these. He also randomly checks the weight of a few packs, though each of the pack is weighed automatically too. It is impossible for butter packs to avoid the metal detector check hurdle before they sprint further. After all, it is the hurdles that test anyone's purity and endurance.
Happily and joyfully, these packs now reach to an outer paper box packing station, where the famous Amul yellow color paper boxes are ready to hug these packs.
This machine has to work in tandem with the robotic butter paper wrapping machines. The speed and coordination between these is really amazing to see. If one gets tired, another waits. After all, it's a family matter, and there's no progress without cooperation.
Next, these butter packs get bunched together in a group of 50 and are pushed towards the final stage of packing station. A hard and tough cardboard box is placed around these 50 packs by an automatic machine. This gives butter packs a travel-ready strength, which they need in their journey to various corners of the country and abroad.
Now these cartons travel over a self-guided auto-controlled roller conveyor system, which takes the carton to cold storage. Amazing! This conveyor has a signal system like the Indian Railways. When two lines are joining at a point, one carton at junction waits for the other one to pass first. Interestingly, it is a foolproof system. Amul has always been a pioneer in adopting new innovative packing for the ease of customers. Keeping with the times, Amul has introduced Amul butter in convenient reusable 200-gram tub packs.
First, at the packing machine station, from one end, empty food-grade plastic tubs are pulled by a vacuum cup arm from a hopper, and they are placed at a designated place over a moving circular platform.
Now a nozzle fills the required quantity of freshly made tasty butter into the tubs. A row of tubs waits to get filled one by one. As soon as a tub is filled, it moves forward and an arm places an aluminium seal over the filled tub.
A hot plate presses the foil and seals it on the edges of the tub. All 4 stages of Amul butter in tub process are well synchronized and run in harmony.
Next, when these filled and sealed tubs are pushed up, they pop up and a gentle arm waits to slide them to the exit, literally showing these packs the exit door of packing station. Now in an orderly manner under side guards, these sealed tubs travel forward. It is really cinematic to watch these moving in a disciplined manner.
Soon these tubs reach a twist and turn roller coaster section of their ride and pass through an adventurous path as they turn upside down. A laser beam keeps a close watch on these upside down moving tubs to keep their position right for the online printer. The printer marks them with date and badge, a permanent identity till they reach the consumers.
Amul butter always delights our taste buds and tempts the mind. It comes in 10 grams blister packs which are quite handy, to 500 grams convenient packs too. At this packing station, which is made by best food packing machinery makers of the world, 500 grams butter packs are prepared. This paper box packing station has almost identical machines as what we have seen for the 100-gram packs and process right from butter block cutting to paper wrapping.
Once raw butter is transformed into blocks and wrapped nicely in a butter paper, these further move and pass through a metal detector. After purity test, these are welcomed by a colorful outer paper box covering. While they're on the run, these packs are automatically covered by a paper box and sealed too.
These paper boxes are made with food-grade virgin material. Paper box keeps the butter in shape and is easy to handle for customers even when opened and used multiple times.
Now these boxes are pushed further gently by an arm for a rough and tough carton packing, which gives muscular strength to these buttery and delicate packs to bear the long-distance tiring journey before they reach to the kitchens of millions of customers and mega kitchens of hotels and restaurants. Amul butter in 10-gram blister pack is a must from seaside hotel restaurants to airlines tray table.
Special quality food-grade plastic material sheet is fed into the machine from one end. This passes between two hot molds. Once they press the plastic sheet, it gives a small tub shape.
From a sterilized chamber, a printed plastic sheet is fed into the machine from the top. This printed sheet is used to seal the tiny butter packs.
I'm amazed to see this machine, which is making almost 1 million Amul butter packs every day.
A set of nozzles attached to a butter tank artistically fills the blister pack, which I can happily call as modern art by a machine.
Next, a roller places the printed sheet on the top of these. The filled tubs and a hot plate presses them together and seals the top packing layer with the tubs.
Next, a hot die cuts the filled and sealed tubs and liberates them from each other.
These separated cups now move in a group of 4 in one lane. In 5 such lanes, 20 cups move forward over a conveyor towards a robotic arm. Robotic arm picks all these 20 cups together and places them over a packing station in proper order. The movement of tubs is monitored by photoelectric sensor fitted over the lanes. Each photoelectric sensor counts exact numbers of tubs and signals the robot to pick them up. Any less number and the arm does not work at all.
A parallel machine brings in the printed box and places it on a platform. Robotic arm picks up the butter tubs from the other section and puts them in the box in a group of 20.
Next, another robotic machine presses all the flaps of the filled box from all the sides and seals it nicely and then makes it move forward. To be double sure about the weight of the box, each box is manually weighed as soon as the box comes out of the machine. This is the Amul way of making sure of the quality parameters, irrespective of the extra labor involved.
Cold storing of butter is an important factor in maintaining its quality, flavor and taste. Processed and packed butter has to be kept at 4 to 5 degrees centigrade. Each Amul butter plant has dedicated butter cold rooms where immediately after packing, butter cartons are stored. Butter is dispatched through the refrigerated containers, which maintain the temperature around 4 to 5 degrees centigrade throughout the journey until they reach the destination. Each refrigerated truck has a system fitted inside which records the temperature level all the time.
These boxes are then placed one by one in refrigerated containers carefully. Keeping cartons in proper manner with optimal space in between them is important, so the cold air can circulate around each box during their stay in the container.
Once the whole container is filled, an external agency person who monitors and counts the cartons kept in the container seals it.
Every day, more than 2 million of Amul butter packs are sent to more than 3,300 cities and towns across India. A pioneer and leader, the utterly butterly delicious Amul butter takes pride in serving day and night tirelessly to the millions of happy consumers across India who identify butter as Amul butter.